Hi, I'm going to demonstrate how to use SmartGit. First, you can download SmartGit from this website. Simply, you can click download and install the software into your machine. I have already installed that software. After the installed software, you can see SmartGit window like this. Okay. So first, I have to create repositories. So I use Bitbucket, otherwise you can use GitHub. Here first you have to create your own account. I already have an account, so I don't want to create another account. I can log in simply providing username and password. Login. Yeah, this is my email and this password. I can simply log in. This is the Bitbucket. This is my dashboard. It shows my repositories, and this is about a particular project. This is the procedure, what I commit and what I push, what I pull, and what are the merges. Okay, I will show how to create a repository first. Here you can see create repository. Otherwise you can click this and create another repository. Okay, my repository I will give test. This is a private repository. I don't want private repository, it's a public. Okay, separate type is Git. Okay, I can create repository. Yeah, this is test. This repository. When creating your repositories, you can change the language. It's been PHP, Java, C. I didn't remember that. So, after creating repository, you can do it here. Settings. And here language, you can use any language. I will select Java. Okay, that's it. Yeah, my repository language is Java. This is the icon according to your project. Okay, now I want to get this project into my local machines. I use SmartGit. It's a Git GUI client. After installation SmartGit, you can clone the project in your repositories. Okay, first here project clone. Here clone means you can get the copy of your repository to your local machines. So you need repository URL. Okay, I will show how to get a repository URL. In here you can see clone. If I click this, you can see HTTPS or SSH. Normally we get HTTPS. This is the URL. Okay, copy that, and okay, project clone. Here you can simply paste. Here you have to erase this. Okay, and next it will check in the connection to repository. It's okay. It's a local path. Yeah, test in desktop. It's okay. Project name will also test it. Okay, now I clone that project into my local machine. This is the project as test. After cloning the project, you can see the project folder in desktop. This is my project folder, tested. It's a empty folder. Okay, I will create here text file. I will give it a. Okay, then I will type there. Okay, and save. Okay, now SmartGit shows a.txt there, and it is untracked. So we can first we should commit this. Yeah, select this, and if you don't provide a commit message, it not indicate commit. So we must provide a commit message. I will give initial commit. Okay, then I can commit. Here commit means commit to the local machine. It's some error. Okay, repository settings, commit. I have to change this. Okay, now I can commit. Yeah, commit is okay. This commit mean commit to the local machine, and then I can push. It mean push to the main server, either repository. Okay, current branch master. Now I can skip this. It is pushing. It asks your password of Bitbucket. Yeah, push it. Then I will go to my Bitbucket account and overview. Yeah, here the messages. I have created a test project, and I pushed to the repository. Okay, in source I can see what are there. Here my text file and what are the inside. Okay, here my project's visibility is public, so others also can see my project. For example, think there's a team of 2 members or 3 members. After creating a project, the public, especially public project, they can fork my project. Fork means they can get the copy of my project as the master. They are the master of that project, copy of my project. Then they can clone that project, not the original one. Original one means my one. They can clone their project, so they are the master of that project, and they can modify that project. After modify that, they can commit and push to the repository, their repository, and they can ask from me to merge it in my original project. That called pull request. Here you can see pull request. After that, I can review that modifications. If modification is okay to my project, I can approve them. Okay, then we will see how to fork my origin. Here I will use another browser to indicate another person. Okay, I will log in as another user. Username. Okay, okay, we will see how to fork a project. First he should go to my profile. Otherwise he can type in search bar the I will type in search bar the project owner. Yeah, this is my project. Test. Okay, as another user, how will fork the project. Here fork button. Yeah, project name test. I can change that name. I'll give it testing. And the description. Okay, yeah, then you can click simply Fox repository. Yeah, that's the forked project. This project has original project to that user. Now owner is Feham Soher. That is not me. That's another user. Okay, so he can clone that project by clicking clone. Simply clone and get modify. Okay, we will clone that project. Copy. In SmartGit project, clone and paste. Remember to erase that unnecessary things. Okay, and next. Okay, yeah, I will give it a testing. Yeah, it's okay, testing. Next. Yeah, project name is also testing. I can change that also, it's okay. Yeah, okay, now he can pull in his local machine. Now it's clone. Okay, in desktop that's called testing. Yeah, this is clone project. There's a text file. In SmartGit, you can see what are the unchanged file in this project by clicking this that icon. Yeah, unchanged. That's unchanged. Okay, now I'm going to change that file a.txt. I will change it. Okay, and I will save that and close it. Okay, in SmartGit now you can see that file is changed. It's in red color. It's show modified. Okay, it's in changes window you can see what are the changes are there. In green color, that's the changed one. Okay, in index editor you can see what are the changes. In repository and your working tree and the index. Okay, and okay, now you can see this is our main repository, and this is local repository, and this is working tree. Okay, now I can commit this, and here you can see logs. You can see what I doing here. Okay, and then you can commit. Okay, and I can commit, and then it's a message. I have to give my username and password here. Actually, this is not me, this is another user. He will work in with his forked project as his original project. Okay, then I can commit. Yeah, commit is okay, and then that's the commit one. I can select it and then push. Yeah, current branch master, it will be pushing. It asks the password. Especially saying when you are doing your projects with members, two or three members or other members, you can get a project as team leader can create a repository, and other member can fork that project as their original project. They are the masters of that fork projects, and they can modify their projects, and after modify they can ask the team leader to modify, review their modifications, and merge into the original project. Okay, now I'm going to your pull request. Okay, now I can see what are the changes in another user's dashboard. Yeah, he is committed. Okay, and now he's going to your pull request. Okay, click in pull request. Yeah, Vihams here testing. He's the master of that project, and this is my original project. I'm the master of that. Okay, and I can give a message is also. This message will be to the original master. Okay, and reviewers. I can add another reviewers to review my modifications. He is my another member of the group. Okay, and I can enter a new another user. Is another member of the project. Okay, then I get pull request. Okay, now they are the reviewers. Okay, yeah, file changes in green color. It shows what are the changing are there. Okay, now I am going to my account. This is another one's account now. So this is my account. I will refresh that. Yeah, this user create pull request for my project. Okay, you can see in pull request here, and you can see who are fork my project. Okay, Vihams is the person who forked my project, and number of watchers, number of forks you can see. Okay, and I will go see my pull request. Yeah, PMs here. I can see this. Yeah, by clicking side by side difference, I can see what has changed. Yeah, this is my original one. Okay, and green color shows what are the changes he did. He added a new line called this is test 2. Okay, if it is okay, I can approve that. Or otherwise I can comment it. I will comment it. I will merge. Okay. Yeah, that message indicating to that user. Yeah, indicating. Here shows that message I will typed. Okay, his modification is okay, so I can approve that by clicking approve. Okay, and then I can merge into my original project by clicking merge. Okay, yeah, commit message is okay. I will merge it. If you don't want that modification to your project, you can decline that. Okay, now I am merged that modification to my project. Here shows merged. Okay, then I will go to my source. Yeah, in source, yeah, my source is modified now. Okay, in history I can see what are the changes in my project. This is my initial commit and the other user commit in. Okay, and differences. Yeah, this is differences. Difference from this user to this user. And in commits you can see the for a tree. Here show how the branch will merge to my working tree. Okay, now the other user changed that project, so in my local machines I have to pull those changes. Okay, here pull, you can simply pull that. Yeah, this is my project, pull. It will indicate in the progress of pull. It takes some time. Okay, pull is successful. Now you can see in my test project folder in a.txt. Yeah, now it has changed. That's the main idea of using SmartGit, especially for your teamworks. You can you can use this as a configuration management tool for when you are creating a software project. Now I have shown how to use SmartGit for that purpose. Okay, that's all for the day. Okay, Thank you very much.